All right. It worked. This is what I wanted. Hey y'all. Hopefully I'm not too bright. We're trying this again. This is the second time I'm filming in my bathroom this week, okay? This transformation is about to be epic. I went from 30 inches to a really babe bombshell look to a very like my type of style, hairstyle right here. But a little side note about this hair that I received initially, it was 30 inches, very low in density in my opinion. 30 inches needs to be thick, honey. I mean, it doesn't need to be too thick, but it needs to be given full, and I just felt like towards the ends it was getting a little frayed. So today I decided to reinstall it and give it life. So that's pretty much it. And look, Unice has an 86% off sale going on. What? On the 11th. The 11th through the 12th, I believe, it's like a rush sale. Because when I seen that, I was like, oh, the girls need to know. Unice is an OG out here. They're always giving out quality. But pay attention to that density if you do want to raise the price. Because y'all know, when y'all get 36-inch bundles, 30-inch bundles, y'all can't just get 1 or 2 bundles. You have to have like about like 4 bundles. But I'm going to show you, if you do have a unit on deck with that kind of issue, definitely follow what the kid is doing in this video, because I'm giving you fabulous vibes, you know. I wanted to show you guys how to layer your long lengths and get it to a more elegant medium length that looks more full, more healthy, and it brings the hair to life. You know, so as you can see, your girl is looking rough, okay? So you already know what time it is. We're about to install a really long unit from Unice Hair. I already installed it once upon a time, but I really didn't like how it looked. So I'm going to be installing it again today, and hopefully I get the bombshell look that I'm going for. It's pretty long, and I did do some like face framing layers in the previous video, just so I can at least make it look a little bit more fuller than it actually is. So y'all know with closure units, it's so easy to lay your hair, so this should be very simple. And all you have to do is like hold a little piece of it down. You don't have all that frontal to work with. I love closures when I'm running errands because I really don't have to do too much. Alright, so as you can see, when I say flat, flat. I'm gonna try to stay on this side so y'all can see. I'll probably just move this over like this because I got a black wall in my bathroom. As you can see, I mean, look, the hair isn't really the fullest, but it's not the thinnest. So it does go past my booty. I have shorts on, so, and my butt is hanging out, so I don't want to get demonetized, but it does go past that area. So go ahead and say goodbye to the inches. I know the girls are screaming and gagging. Only a little bit is going because I want the thickness again and not so much of the frayed ends. We're gonna get it done, okay? So we're gonna make some fresh layers. Take some hair from the back. So as you can see, look at how much life this already has over here. Look at how full it looks compared to this side. Now that we have that, I'm gonna focus on the front layers. I like to take a small piece and then I'm just gonna cut at this straight up. And this is so I don't have a true so I don't have like a severe blunt cut. Taking my baby blends and getting this together. So we're gonna cut as we go. If you ever watch the layer video of mine, you know that I never just stop here with layers. I always find something else to cut. So I like to start at the top and get like a feel of how everything is gonna lay. It may not be like the most perfect curl or, you know, whatever the case may be, but we go back in and fix everything towards the end. But I'm gonna start with a tight curl. And over the years, I have gotten better with my flat iron technique. So hopefully this turns out how I want it to turn out. So I'm curling it all the way towards the end. Now I'm gonna have this on the highest setting. I just realized it wasn't on the highest setting. You know, with weave you can do that, and with this quality of hair you definitely can do that, but just be careful, you know, if you do choose to put your flat iron on the highest setting, because it can get a little crazy. This little flip, I feel like we could take some hair away right here and right here. So we have to make this piece a little shorter, this piece a little shorter, so it can have like that bombshell look. It's never perfect the first time, but who said it would be? Round brush moment just to make everything fall into place. This is the Beyond the Zone. I was ranting and raving about this spray at one point on my channel. Really good. It's for flat ironing your hair. You honestly are supposed to put this in the hair before you flat iron it, but I like to use it after because I don't want too much luster on the hair. This makes the hair smell so good. So after all that, like, you know, heat that I just applied to this hair, it doesn't smell like freaking fried corn chips or anything like that. Oh, But here's the thing. I'm never satisfied, and I feel like I want these shorter, and I kind of like want like a fringe. Also supposed to like have like a bang vibe going on if you do want to style like that. But I'm gonna play with it a little bit. So I'm like, should I take a lot of hair, a little bit of hair? Kind of like trying to make a bang. And let's see if I can cut. Okay. So now I'm just gonna take like a smaller piece. I'm gonna take a smaller section, like a triangle.
To the face, color cool, different race. Skate on the car, hit the gate. Ain't seeing no slammer today.
And do that, right? And then we're gonna blow this out.
Smoke on back to the brain. Sliding that Bentley Museum. 20
All right. It worked. This is what I wanted. I'm so happy this turned out exactly how I wanted it to be. I felt like it was gonna mess me up, but God be having me do nothing to my hair, I'm gonna tell you that much. Very much so vibes. If I step back.
elevation of place. I put them hoes in order. I put them hoes in order.
Major sale alert, major sale alert. Unice has a 86% off on everything on the site, okay? It might not be everything, but it's 86% off. So figure out what's 86% off. Let me know if you can see the vibe. Let me know. Let me get 'em. And I'm thinking about getting rid of it soon. Thinking about getting rid of it.